minutes, like 3 minutes, 4 minutes. Like. Hi guys, hi guys, hi guys, hi guys. Happy New Year, Happy New Year. Diba? Dalawa ang, ay, sorry naman. Dalawa ang, bakit naka-exhaust ako? Hindi naman na-exhaust. Ayan guys, magluto tayo guys. Hi guys, hi everyone. Kaparanin na ako. Hello guys. I'm making pineapple glaze. Pineapple glaze with not honey. I don't have honey. I use sugar. So sugar glaze. Pineapple with sugar. Yes. Tagal pala nito. Piga-pigain, piga-pigain, piga-pigain. How's your New Year, guys? Here in Canada, it's December 30. We're still in 2025. 2025, December 31 at 10:48 a.m. We're behind. Eric sent a photo. Ay. Paano ko ma-check ang photo? Oh, wala pa naman 30 minutes dito. Shout out guys, shout out sa inyong lahat, shout out all in Canada vibes, Kuracha in Canada, Annalisa Mix TV Vlog, baliktad, Annalisa TV Mix Vlog, Kuya Aw, Boss Bean Channel, Zenic Kitty, hello Ate Kitty, siyempre, sino pa ba, Milito, sino pa ba, Kuya Aw, nasabi ko na si Kuya Aw. Si Amelito, si Oli in Canada, si Annalisa, si Zenith Kitty, Boss Beam. Yes. Mukhang kumakanta si Boss Beam sa ibang bahay ah. Yes. Shout out sa inyong lahat. Happy New Year.